just set up my camera and now we're walking through the streets of Koh Samui. 1 mile walk down to the beach. Even though it's a £2 Uber, I'm not paying it. I don't know what this guy's doing. It's a big drag to carry this, mate. Yeah, let's get after it then. What are you saying, Bruno?
Let's fucking go. Life is unreal.
Woo! Woo! So we finally found a hotel and we got in and we slept straight away for like 5 hours because we haven't slept since last night. And now we're going out to play some paddle. Yo, good? Right, so we're getting a game in. Here we are.
I'm cleaning you up, mate.
Nah. I'll be real. Racket sports is not me. I'm so shit at tennis. Here we go. Couple things watching. Watch me smoke Jamie. So we just finished the first game. I got smoked.
Ex-professional tennis player, that's me.
Ex-stud, ex-Fortnite player.
Not everything, mate.
Everything in the game. But, wow. Life's good, man. 35-degree weather at night time, playing paddle in Thailand.
Doesn't get much better than that, does it? It's life, man.
A lifestyle. I'll get used to this, man. I'll get used to this. When I leave the UK. Forever. But as you can see, I'm sweating my absolute bullets off. Probably play another game, but we'll have a little rest. Rehydrate and then get back into it. Just finished playing paddle, and now we're in 7-Eleven. Pop in some food and some drink.
Got those goated Red Bull at home. It's gonna keep me alive tonight when I'm in bed with the team.
Sure, mate. But the other day we went to get chicken and rice, and we got served pork.
The meat looked very questionable, to say the least.
Day 2 in Koh Samui. We're on our way to breakfast at our hotel. Reno. It absolutely slashed it down whilst we were getting ready this morning. But hopefully that means clear skies for the whole day. Probably doesn't, but
It looks like it's clearing up to me.
it's looking a lot better. Rain season though.
English breakfast with a twist.
Meal 1. Don't know what the fuck I'm actually eating. Second meal. So, we just walked 6 miles. Took us 2 hours to get here. We could have got a £5 taxi, but no.
All part of the grind.
Part of the
grind.
So, we're just going to see the elephants. Well, I'll get a little clip of the elephants later. But now we have arrived at the waterfall. And we're coming through. Wow. It's amazing, man. Nothing like this in the UK. So you probably ain't going to be able to hear me when we get down to the waterfall. The water's a bit dirty because it's rained this morning. So the water's dirty, but we probably won't be able to get in. Shit. But here it is. Wow. This is fucking insane. Oh my shit. This place is epic. Woo! Oh my shit. So we're climbing up the stairs. Mate, some of these stairs, look at the hole in the stairs. What the fuck? And then I think this is like an abandoned stairway,
Wait,
Well, clearly.
Clearly what's happened is the trees have like fucking fallen into the stairs and destroyed it.
We're trying to get to the top of the waterfall, but mate, this is dodgy as fuck. A tree's fallen down on it.
I'm gonna go under, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you filming it?
Yeah. I've got to be careful here, holding the camera up. Fucking hell, bit of a drop. Oh my days, nearly stacked it.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? This is fucking... Mate, what is going on? I'm literally...
This is bare fucking dangerous. Look at this bit of the stairs.
What the fuck? Now, I don't know who built these stairs. Well, probably some Thai men. But they ain't done the best of jobs. That whole side has fallen off. And it's very steep, actually. I'm starting to think, should I put the camera away in case I need to grab the side? The answer was definitely yes, but I'm here for the content. So, I'm here for the content. Mate, what the fuck?
Mate, this is out of use for about 20 years.
Yeah, this ain't been used. This ain't been used for like years and years and years. Wow. Yeah, like what is this? There's not even any stairs. Just climbing up pure brick. Brick, rock.
Like bare barbed wire here as well. Mate, get this. Mate,
Mate, look, this is the stair we're climbing.
and we're done. You want to set me the camera and record you?
Yeah. Oh, there is barbed wire. What's this?
If you fall down there,
If I fall, yeah? Just keep recording, I need the content.
mate, you slide all the way down straight to the water.
I'll grab something. And we're up. Oh my days.
But wait, bear in mind, we have no idea why it was closed off. If it was like deemed unsafe, the fucking trees fell on people.
Deemed unsafe, is this guy alright? Mate, this is in the UK, this has been shut down a long time ago.
Look, bro, they got these fucking, you know that red thing that was next to you when you put your socks on?
Yeah.
But it's, bro, it's moving as well. Oh, you're at the top though. Look how old it is, bro. Look at that, that's a sign. That's at least like 10 years. But what I was saying was, it could be closed because, obviously it's probably closed because of that as well. But it also could have been closed because there's like fucking dangerous animals up here or something, bro.
Yeah, mate. 100 men versus 1 gorilla. I'm fucking winning, Sean, I'll tell you that for free.
Oh my god, I see a fucking spider's web, G.
Where?
It's like something floating in the middle of the...
The thing is, yeah, we didn't even know what spiders are in Thailand. There could be fucking tarantulas or all sorts. Let's keep that, go across because... What was that?
I don't have a clue, bro. Dude, that's a fucking hamster sound.
You don't fool, bro. Yeah, I don't trust this shit. Fucking hell. Yeah, great. Great fucking start, that.
I've got one hand on the right, fuck me.
Shut up, bro. Ah! Yeah, that one moved as well. It's alright, on the go. Another waterfall over there. Let's see what that's all about.
Wait, see this man-made building over that? Wow. Wow! What do you think, mate? I think it's fucking sick!
Boys, we've just been exploring and we found this. What the fuck? Like, genuinely, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god. Mate, this is fucked! Oh my god, I'm stepping on someone's fucking yard.
What the? Wow.
Woo! Hey, take a photo.
Yes.
Let's take a photo.
So now we are back at the apartment, just checked out, but we're chilling around the pool for a bit. Weather's pretty decent, so soaking the rays. Looking good.